In this video, we are looking at construction and loci. We want to construct a quadrilateral ABCD such that AB equals 7 centimeters, BC equals 10 centimeters, CD equals 8 centimeters, angle ABC equals 90 degrees, and angle BCD equals 60 degrees. Then after constructing our quadrilateral ABCD, we want to measure and write down the length of AD and also construct the locus of points 4 centimeters from D. We will also construct the locus of points equidistant from AB and BC. And last but not least, we want to mark and label 2 points M and N such that they are 4 centimeters from D and equidistant from AB and BC. So we shall start by constructing our quadrilateral ABCD. Okay, so I shall start by drawing the line AB, which is 7 centimeters in length. So I'll measure 7 centimeters using a ruler and a compass, as you can see. Okay, that's 7 centimeters, which is the length of AB. So I'll start by drawing or constructing AB, which is 7 centimeters. Now with A as my center and the radius of 7 centimeters, I will construct an arc along this line. Okay, so where this arc meets the line, that's here, that's the position of B. So AB, 7 centimeters. Now, I want to, first of all, before I construct the lines BC or show the positions of BC, CD, I've realized it is convenient to, first of all, construct an angle. So I'll start by constructing an angle of ABC, which is equal to 90. ABC is 90 degrees. Okay. So it means the angle of 90 degrees is at B here. So I want to construct an angle of 90 degrees at B. Now with B as my center, I'll draw an arc to the left of B and another one to the right of B, as I hope you see. Yeah, the arcs. Okay. So now, with the points of intersection of these arcs and the line AB, I'm going to construct 2 arcs above B, which are supposed to meet. Remember, I want to construct an angle of 90 degrees at B. Okay, so we are changing the radius with this point of intersection of the arc and the line AB. I'll construct another arc which cuts the previous one above B like this. And then I'll draw a line starting from B, as you can see, right through the point of intersection of the arcs, like this. Okay, so this is angle. This is an angle of 90 degrees. So I'll first now need to mark the position of C along this line so that ABC is equal to 90 degrees. Now, BC is 10 centimeters, so I'm going to measure 10 centimeters using the compass and the ruler, as you can see. Okay. Now, with the B as my center, I'll draw an arc which cuts this line here. Okay, so where this line meets this arc here, that's where we have our position, the position of C. So BC, so BC is 10 centimeters. So angle ABC is 90 degrees. Now we are told that the angle of BCD is 60 degrees. So the angle of 60 degrees is here at C. So I'm going to construct an angle of 60 degrees at C. So I'm now constructing an angle of 60 degrees at C. So with C as my center and a suitable radius, I'm going to draw an arc which cuts BC. and goes all the way up here. Okay, as you can see, the arc is cutting BC at here. So now my new center is the point where this arc cuts BC, that's here. Without changing the radius, remember we are constructing an angle of 60 degrees at C. I just draw another arc which cuts this one here. Okay, so now I'm going to draw a line from C right through the point of intersection of the arcs. So I'll draw this line starting from C right through the point of intersection of the arcs. Okay, so now this is an angle of 60 degrees. This one is 90 degrees. Okay, so now let's finish our quadrilateral. So now I want to mark the position of D. We are told that CD is 8 centimeters. So from C to D is 8 centimeters. So I'll measure 8 centimeters using the compass and the ruler. As you can see, that's 8 centimeters. Now with the C as my center, okay, I'll draw an arc which cuts this line like this. So where this arc cuts the line, that's the position of our point D. Okay, so here, that's where we have our point what? Our point D. Okay, like this. And then finally, I will join AD like this using a ruler. Now our quadrilateral is complete. Okay, so that's quadrilateral A, B, C, D. Now we want to proceed with our questions. Now we want to measure and write down the length of AD and also construct the locus of points 4 centimeters from D. So using our ruler, we can see that AD is 6 centimeters. You can see this is a 5 centimeter mark. This one is 6. So AD equals to 6 centimeters in length. Then I want to construct locus of points 4 centimeters from D. So I'll measure 4 centimeters using a ruler and compass like this as 4 centimeters. Now with the D as my center, since I want to construct locus of points 4 centimeters from D, so with D as my center, like this, I'll draw a circle whose radius is 4 centimeters. Okay. Okay, there we are. So the locus of points 4 centimeters from D is just a circle with a radius of 4 centimeters with center D. Okay, as we finish, we want to construct the locus of points equidistant from AB and BC, and finally we want to mark and label 2 points M and N such that they are 4 centimeters from D and also equidistant from AB and BC. So I shall start by constructing the locus of points equidistant from AB and BC. Now with the B as my center, since I want to construct locus of points equidistant from AB and BC. So you can see that the letter which is being repeated is B. AB, BC. So B is the repeated letter, so B as my center. I'll bisect the angle ABC. Okay. So with B as my center, I'll draw an arc along BC and another one along AB like this. And then with my new centers, in this case my center is where the arc meets the line BC, and a suitable radius, I'll construct an arc here, and this point will also AB meets the arc which I drew when I was at B. As my center, I'll draw another arc which coincides this one like this. Okay, remember I want to bisect angle ABC. The locus of points equidistant from AB and BC is just a bisector of angle ABC. Okay, now starting from B right through the point of intersection of the arcs, this I'll draw a line. Okay, so that's the locus of points equidistant from AB and BC. Okay, finally I want to mark and label 2 points. I will name them M and N, such that they are 4 centimeters from D and equidistant from AB and BC. So the points M and N are right here, where this line meets the circle here and here. So this is M and this is N. Okay, so we are done. We have finished our constructions. Thank you for watching. Meet you in the next videos.